Hi, welcome to Python Polygon. So today's topic is going to be trigonometry, heights and distances. It's a very small topic. This will be done very soon. Okay. Okay. So suppose there's a right angle triangle. This is the angle x. Okay. With respect to this, I can write sine A as the side opposite to it by the hypotenuse. Cos A is side adjacent to it by the hypotenuse. Similarly, tan A is side opposite by adjacent. Okay. Cot is inverse of tan. Secant is inverse of cos and cosecant is inverse of sine. Okay, there is one property that sine square plus cos square equal to 1. Now if you divide this whole thing by sine square on both the sides, you will get that cosecant square minus cot square equal to 1. Similarly, secant square minus tan square equal to 1. Next we have different angles and their values. Okay, so you need to know this table by heart. Just look at it once. Fine, let's start the questions. What is the maximum value of 3 into sine theta plus 4 into cos theta? Okay. Alright, see, we can take the function approach. F of theta is given as 3 sine theta plus 4 cos theta. Okay. So we know the function is maximum when f dash of theta equal to 0. Okay. So if f dash of theta is equal to 0, that means I have to differentiate this, right? So differential of sine theta is cos theta. So 3 cos theta minus 4 sine theta, because differential of cos is minus sine, is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. So 3 cos theta is equal to 4 sine theta. Cos is defined as what? 3 into, this is adjacent by hypotenuse, right? By hypotenuse is equal to 4 into opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse can cancel in both the sides. Adjacent by hypotenuse, okay, comes as 4 by 3. Okay, so basically it's in the ratio 4 is to 3. So let's assume adjacent is 4, opposite is 3. Okay, so adjacent is 4, opposite is 3. Hypotenuse is what? Root of adjacent square plus opposite square, which comes as root of 3 square plus 4 square, which is nothing but 5. Okay, so if this is 5, adjacent is 4, opposite is 3, then 3 into opposite is nothing but 4, right? Opposite is 3, sorry. So this is 3 into 3 by 5, okay, because hypotenuse is 5, plus 4 into adjacent is 4 divided by hypotenuse 5, okay, which comes as 9 plus 16, 25, 25 by 5, which is 5. So 5 is the maximum value of this equation, I mean this function. Okay, next question. If tan of x plus y into tan of x minus y is 1, then find tan 2x by 3. Okay, here I can write this as tan of x plus y is equal to 1 by tan of x minus y. Okay, so I can write it as tan of x plus y is equal to cot of x minus y. Okay, here see there is a property tan of a. If tan of a is equal to cot of b, okay, that implies a plus b is equal to 90 degree. Okay, that means this plus this is equal to 90. So x plus y plus x minus y is equal to 90 degree. Hence 2x is equal to 90, x is equal to 45. Okay, so if x is 45, they are asking tan 2x by 3. Okay, tan of 2 into 45 by 3 is nothing but tan 90 by 3. 90 by 3 is what? 30. Okay, and tan 30 is defined by 1 by root 3 as 1 by root 3. Okay, you need to know the values. So 1 by root 3 is the answer. Next question. Find the least value of 2 sine square plus 3 cos square. Okay, see, we know that 2 sine square theta plus 3 cos square theta is what is minimum, you want to know, right? See, this 2 cos square can 3 cos square can be written as 2 cos square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, and 2 sine square theta is there here. Okay, 2 sine square plus 2 cos square is how much? 2, because sine square plus cos square is 1. Okay, 2 plus cos square theta is now what we need to find, the least value of. Okay, what is the least value of cos square? It can only be 0. Okay, the least value is 0, because a square of any number cannot be negative, hence 2 will be the minimum value. Okay, that's the answer. Next question. From a point A on a level ground, angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Okay, so this is called angle of elevation. If this is the tower, this is the top, this is the point A on the ground, then this angle is 30 degree and it's called angle of elevation. Okay, if the tower is 100-meter high, what is the distance of a point from the foot of the tower? Okay, so see this they're asking this distance AB, they're asking if BC is 100. Okay, so here can I apply tan theta is equal to, I know it is opposite by adjacent, right? Now what is tan 30 here according to the figure? Tan 30 is opposite, that is 100, by adjacent, that we have to find x. Okay, tan 30 value I know 1 by root 3 is equal to 100 by x. So x comes as 100 into root 3. Root 3 is 1.7. So 1.73. So 100 into root 3 is 1.173 ish. Okay, somewhere around that. So 173 meters is the answer. Next question. A man is watching from the top of a tower, a boat speeding away from the tower. Okay, the boat makes angle of depression. Angle of depression is always calculated from the eyesight. Okay, so if a man is standing here, his eyesight is like this. Okay, now angle of depression is 45 degree. Okay, and the distance when the distance is 60 meters from the tower. Okay, so angle of depression is this angle, 45 degree at this point when the distance say AB is equal to 60 meter. Okay, so this is 60 meter. Fine. Now after 5 seconds, angle of depression becomes 30 degree. Okay, so in 5 seconds, so the boat moves by this distance x. Okay, angle of depression becomes 30 degree. Okay, now we have to find out what is the speed of the boat. Okay, now see, let's first find out the height of the tower using this triangle. Okay, if this is parallel to the ground, correct, his view, so this angle also is 45. Okay, if this angle is 45, this angle is also 45. Okay, now what we know is this is 60, so this is also 60. Okay, so the tower is 60-meter high. Now I'll use the second triangle. This is parallel to this again, so this angle is also 30 degree. Okay, so I can find BC, the length of BC, as, see, if I use tan theta here, tan 30 is equal to opposite is 60 divided by adjacent is x plus 60. Okay, tan 30 I know is 1 by root 3, so 1 by root 3 is equal to 60 by x plus 60. So if I cross multiply, I'll get x is equal to 60 root 3 minus 60. Okay, this is the value of x. Okay, now yeah, this is the value of x. Now I need to find out how much is the speed of the boat. Okay, this first I will convert it into decimal. So I will get 60 into root 3, which is 103.9. Okay, 103.9. So 104 I'll assume minus 60 in meter. Okay, 60 44 meter. Okay, so the boat travels 44 meter in how much time? 44 meter in 5 seconds. Okay, so 44 meter by 5 seconds. Okay, to convert this into kilometer per hour, I have to multiply by how many divide by 1000 and divide this by 3600. So that will be 5 by 18 if you don't remember that from that video. So this will be 5, this will be 18 by 5, and now we have to simplify. So this is around 31.68 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. So that is the value, 31.68. So 32 we can assume. Okay, that's the closest. So the speed is 32 kilometer per hour. Okay. Next question. What is area of a circle when which has the diagonal of a square as its diameter if the area of the square is d? Okay. So this is the circle. The diameter is the diagonal of the square. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, and the area of the square is d. Okay, so area is given by a square is equal to d, so side length is what? Root of d. Okay, now diagonal of a square can also be written as uh, root of a square plus a square, because this is a, hence diagonal is root of a square plus a square. Okay, a square is d, so this comes as root 2d. Okay, so the diameter is equal to root of 2 into d. Okay, so radius is what? root of 2d by 2, which comes as root d by root 2. Okay, that is the radius. Now I have to find area of the circle. Area of circle is pi into r square. R square comes as d by 2 here, so it will be pi into d by 2. Okay, half into pi into d. So that is the value of the area of the circle. Last question. Angle of elevation of the sun when the length of the shadow of a tree is 1 by root 3 times the height is what? Okay. See, if this is a tree and the sun is here, okay, angle of elevation is nothing but when this shadow falls on the ground, okay, this angle theta is called the angle of inclination. Okay, so this is the length of the shadow on the ground. Length of the shadow, see, they've given length of the shadow is 1 by root 3 times height. So if this is height, this is 1 by root 3 times the height. Okay, so if I take tan theta here, tan theta is opposite by adjacent, okay, which comes as root 3. So theta, if tan theta is root 3, theta is what? 60 degree. Okay, this we need to know the value. Fine. So with this question we come to the end of this topic. It is a very small topic and it's a very easy topic. So you'll get a lot of questions like heights and distances and all that. Fine. I hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next topic.